When a crane lifts an object, the wind and momentum can cause the load to swing around. The current method of controlling the load is with tag lines, which are simply long ropes attached to the load handled by ground personnel. The problem with this method is that the ropes will move in the wind, and it also potentially places the personnel in precarious positions to catch the tag lines to control the load.
Roborigger is attached to the crane hook and it sits between the crane hook and the load, and there's no impact on the crane operations at all. Roborigger uses the same technology as drones to keep the load oriented. So as we're lowering it down, we can keep it in exactly the same orientation the whole time. It will automatically stay aligned. Because Roborigger is able to stop the load spinning in the wind, it extends the operational window quite significantly. We typically use 2 remote controls. One remote control is with the dogman at the bottom, who connects the load. He then sends the load up to the dogman at the top, who then orients the load for himself at the top and disconnects the load. Another key feature of Roborigger is the internet connectivity. So you can see online what it's lifted, where it's lifted, the weight of the load, and it also takes a photo of every lift. You have a record of everything that's happened on the construction site. We've also developed a range of wireless operated hooks so that when the load is lowered down into position, we can release the load automatically via the remote control. This is going to be especially useful if we're putting loads on supply boats, or if you're lowering loads into somewhere where you don't want to send people to disconnect the load. We see Roborigger as a must-have for companies that want to improve the safety and efficiency of their operations.